Babe, this year's birthday, I need to book a photo shoot, but honestly, I don't even have the money. Wait, babe, don't book that photo shoot yet. I need to show you something. With this free AI method, you can create studio quality birthday photos yourself without spending money on clothes. Please, hold on. You mean I can actually get a full birthday photo shoot without spending anything?
Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest and completely free way to create a beautiful birthday photo shoot using AI. You don't need a photographer, you don't need a studio, and you definitely don't need expensive equipment. Just your phone, and if you're getting value already, please like this video and subscribe so you never miss more free AI hacks. All right, let's get into it.
So the first thing you do is to find your birthday inspiration photo. So you head over to your browser, type in Pinterest. You will see their red logo, this red logo here. You click on it. So this is how the interface looks like. Pinterest is one of the best platforms for finding any kind of visual inspiration. Maybe birthday shoot, maybe fashion show. It's not as if you can't get it from any other platform. You can get from Instagram, you can get from Facebook, but Pinterest is one of the best. Go to your search bar over here and you type birthday photo shoot, maybe of a female or a male, or maybe an adult birthday photo shoot, or even a studio birthday shoot. Do you understand? But I'm going to type female birthday photo shoot ideas. So let's see what it will give us. Here we have it opened. So you browse through the photo, pick a style that fits your personality. Once you find a photo you like, simply download it. I think I like this. So what I will do is, you look at this 3 dotted line here. You click on it to download the image. So I will also pick this other one here. You click on the 3 dotted line and download it. So you go ahead and save all the styles you like. So you download as many as you want. Pinterest is one of the platforms that you can get inspiration for photo shoots. So after you must have downloaded the images that you want, the next step here is to generate a professional prompt using ChatGPT. Once you're on ChatGPT, click on this plus button. You will see add photo. So now we will click on this add photo to bring one of those images that we copied from Pinterest. So these are the photos we downloaded from Pinterest. We'll pick one of them to recreate. So let me see, I'll pick this one first. So what I did again was to give ChatGPT an instruction. Give me a detailed prompt that can be used to recreate this photo using my own picture as the reference image. So we'll go ahead and click on this arrow. So ChatGPT will give us a clean and a powerful AI prompt. Here guys, we have our prompt. So we go ahead and copy the prompt. And for anyone that needs this prompt, I will drop it on my description box. You can go ahead and use it. So I'll be using 2 AI tools. One is Whisk AI and the other one is Gemini. Let's head over to our browser. So you type Google Gemini on your browser, hit enter, it opens, then you click on it at once. So once you're there, this is how the interface looks like. You click on this plus button here, you click on upload file. So I'll just upload one of my pictures. So I have uploaded one of my pictures. So the next thing is to paste my prompt here. So I'll click on this button here, submit. So we'll just go ahead and wait. While this is generating, I told you guys that I will be using another AI tool, which is Whisk AI. Wow. So guys, this is what we have here. Our photo is ready and this is not bad. It tried. Yeah. So you go ahead and download from this download button here. You click on it to download your photo. I told you I will be using 2 AI tools. So the next one is Whisk. So you go to your browser and type in labs.googlefs. So you click enter. This is how the interface of Whisk AI looks like. Once you're there, you will see add photo. This is where you add your photo. You bring in the photo you want to generate. Then over here, you will see your aspect ratio. You see square, you see portrait, you see landscape. And lastly, you will see settings. Maybe here you're creating something and you want a consistent character. You have to put a seed, a number, and lock it here. So that is it for now. So we'll just proceed. I will add my photo reference. So I'll click on this upload image. Uploaded my reference photo. You can see it over there. I'll go ahead and paste my prompt, and I'll click on this arrow button here, generate. One good thing about this Whisk AI, you can generate as many photos as you want. It is free currently now, and it doesn't come with watermark. You understand? Our image is ready. This is very good for someone that wants something decent. We didn't ask for clothes and he gave us clothes. He wants us to look decent. So this is not bad. This is beautiful too. So you can go ahead and click on this download button to download your image. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment and you have not subscribed to our channel, or you have not liked or comment, please try and do that. You don't need to have any experience for you to be able to do this. Anyone can do it. You know, this image came as a landscape, so I will put it on portrait to see how it looks like. So I'll just put the image on portrait and click on this button. Let's wait and see. So guys, I just put this image on portrait and they gave us at least something that looks close to what we asked for. It gave us something that looks close to what we asked for. Look at it, guys. This is fine too. So it's left for you to choose anyone you want. This is also good. You understand? You can choose anyone you want. So we'll try one more example. So we'll head over to our ChatGPT and clicked on this plus button to upload the image I wanted to analyze, and picked one of this image, and I asked it the way I did the other time to give me a detailed prompt that can be used to recreate this photo using my own picture as the reference image. So I'll just click on this arrow button there and wait for ChatGPT to give me a good prompt. So I have my prompt here. All I did was to copy the prompt and head over to Google Gemini, and when I come here, I'll just still upload my reference image. I hope you know you can twist these prompts a little bit, slightly, if you want something more specific. You are not satisfied with what you have, you can twist it a bit. Okay, like here, I said they're using the uploaded image without changing her face or her natural look. I don't want her face to be tampered. Just create other things, but don't tamper with her face. You can twist your prompt. You can even change the clothes the person is wearing. So I'll go ahead and click on submit and hold on a bit to see what Gemini is going to give us. And guys, this is our image. This is really good. Honestly, even my face, it tries to capture the face. Honestly, this is fine. So like I told you guys before, one thing with Gemini, it always comes with watermark. This watermark over here, but there's still a way around it. I will show you how to remove the watermark. But on Whisk AI, it doesn't generate with a watermark. You can just create your image and straight away you don't need to remove any watermark. But I'll still show you how to remove this watermark. But you just head over to your CapCut, tap edit image, then select AI remove. Use the brush to paint over the logo, or you can even sometimes crop, stretch the photo a bit, then you won't see that watermark there. So maybe in my next video I will show you how to remove watermark on photos or videos. And that is it, guys. You have a full birthday photo shot completely free. No studio, no photographer, no ring lights, just Pinterest and ChatGPT and Google Gemini and Whisk AI. Don't forget. All right there. Bye. See you in my next video.